Audi is gearing up for a thrilling entry into Formula One in 2026. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Audi have shared more details around their 2026 power unit project as the German automotive giants ramp up preparations to take over Kick Sauber's entry and join the Formula One grid. Back in 2022, Volkswagen Group brand Audi announced plans to enter F1 as a power unit supplier when new regulations featuring increased electrical power and 100% sustainable fuels are introduced. With new regulations emphasizing increased electrical power and sustainable fuels, Audi is set to take over Kick Sauber's entry, marking a significant shift in the F1 landscape. Audi Formula Racing CEO Adam Baker shared exciting updates. After just 2 years, our power unit, consisting of a combustion engine, electric motor, battery, and control electronics, is running dynamically on the test bench. Audi has achieved significant milestones, including simulated race distances, showcasing their commitment to innovation and teamwork. Audi's strategic location in Germany offers unique advantages. Baker highlighted, the local proximity to our parent company Audi in Ingolstadt is a great advantage. Operating at the cost cap limit, Audi is on par with competitors, leveraging their motorsport experience to excel in hybrid and electric categories. Audi's project has attracted international talent, with employees from 23 countries. Stefan Dreyer noted, "We have strengthened our existing motorsport expertise with external F1 expertise. This diverse team is driving the project forward with high motivation and a strong team spirit, eagerly anticipating their F1 debut." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.